Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream at home without an electric beater. First, gather your tools: a large, chilled mixing bowl and a sturdy whisk. Make sure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally between 35 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, as this helps it whip up faster. Pour about 1 cup of cold, heavy cream into your chilled bowl. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for a touch of sweetness. Now it's time to whisk. Hold the bowl steady with one hand and whisk vigorously with the other. Use a circular motion, making sure to incorporate as much air as possible. You can also tilt the bowl slightly to help gather the cream, making it easier to whisk consistently. Keep going until the cream starts to thicken and soft peaks form, then continue until you reach stiff peaks. Once your cream reaches soft peaks, you can add flavorings. A classic choice is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which enhances the natural sweetness. For variety, consider incorporating a tablespoon of cocoa powder for chocolate whipped cream or a bit of citrus zest for a brighter taste. Continue whipping until the cream holds its shape firmly and looks light and airy. Be careful not to overwhip. To store any leftover whipped cream, place it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Remember, overwhipping can quickly turn your beautiful cream into butter, so stop as soon as it reaches your desired consistency. For an effortless way to keep your home spotless, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. Find the link in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.